LuvLap Galaxy Stroller. Certified as per European standards EN 1888, which makes this product extremely safe for little ones. It is ideal for newborns to 3-year-olds weighing up to 25 kilograms. Galaxy Stroller has a handlebar with a soft and comfortable rubber grip. It is reversible and can be adjusted to different positions by pulling the knobs on both sides simultaneously for a forward and backward-facing stroll. It has an extended and adjustable canopy which can be secured with locks from the sides. It also has a looking window to keep a watch on the baby while strolling. The seats come with an extra layer of cushioning for the baby's comfort. It has an easy-to-use, 5-point safety harness with a buckle system. The belts can be adjusted by pulling the straps up and down. The backrest can be adjusted to 3 recline positions by pulling up the wire behind the backrest and reclining from a sitting position to a resting position and finally to a flat and comfortable sleeping position. Don't press the backrest without pulling up the backrest wire during seat recline. The footrest can be adjusted to 2 different positions, just pull both the side knobs on the footrest simultaneously to rotate it. The front wheels are equipped with a swivel for easy movement which can be locked in a straight directional stroll by pressing down the knob on the front wheels. The front and rear wheels have brakes for the child's safety. Push the lever downwards on the front and rear wheels to stop the stroller. Galaxy Stroller comes with a detachable food tray with a cup holder for your baby. Press the buttons on both sides simultaneously to detach the food tray and take the baby out. There is a back pocket for keeping baby's essentials like feeding bottles, teethers and other handy things. The large shopping basket below the stroller can be used to keep toys and other baby items. To fold the stroller, push the canopy back by pulling up the side locks and making sure that the backrest is straight. Press the red button on the handlebar and fold the stroller. Once the stroller is folded, secure it with the hook lock.